How to create home in Google Home. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create it. First of all, open the application. So this interface will pop up. Here on the top, simply tap on Create Home. Now, this is the place where you must write your nickname. Here, you can enter any of the nickname. At last, tap on Save. So it will take some time. So this is the section where you must add your home address. So here, include all your region and all the details. Now, after entering all the credentials, simply tap on Next. And here, you must add other devices that are inside your home. So you must allow all the Bluetooth devices to be turned on, and you can easily connect other devices and set up other devices that are inside your home. So in this way, you can connect all your devices that are inside your home and easily manage it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.